In order to screen share on Google Meet, the first thing you want to do is you want to be in a meeting. So you could either join someone's meeting or you can create a meeting yourself. Now, the important thing about this is you need to make sure that you have permissions in order to screen share. What could be happening is that maybe the person you're hosting didn't give you permission. Always keep that in mind and check with the host of the meeting. Alright, but if you do have the permission, then you should have something that looks like this, and you'll see this button that says share screen. Please go ahead and press on it. And then afterwards, it is going to ask you to choose what you want to share to Google Meet. So go ahead and pick either a Chrome tab, a window, or your entire screen. That is 100% up to you. So for this video, I just want to go ahead and screen share my entire screen. So let's go ahead and do that. And I have two monitors right over here, but if you only have one, then only one is going to appear. Then go ahead and press on share. And then afterwards, we are going to be good to go. And now everybody in our meeting can actually see our screen. And in order to get rid of screen share, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this blue button over here. And then you're going to get this option that says stop sharing. And there you go. You are no longer screen sharing. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.